Hey, so I'd like to show you how to add a Genially to your Genially lock. What you need to do is go to your Genially presentation and go here, click on Download, and choose this option, View Offline, and click Download. You're basically downloading the presentation. Next, go to your Spaces, choose your tour, and go to Library and navigate to Genially. Click Upload Genially from device. You will upload this presentation that you have downloaded. Right now, you will upload it in here, but make sure to that your file does not exceed the sizing according to your account specifications. If you're in business, you've got a maximum of 20 megabytes. So just make sure, because if your zip file will be too big, it's not going to be a successful uploading. I'd also like to point out that you can check how big is your Genially zip file that you have downloaded. Make sure that the images are not taking a lot of space, because images usually take a lots of megabytes. So keep an eye for the images, and if you see that some elements from your presentation are taking too much of a space, either you can replace them with other images, or delete those images, or maybe try to compress the zip file online. But yes, make sure that the elements in your zip file are not taking a lot of space. You can check it by looking at their properties, and you can see how many kilobytes or megabytes the elements in the file are taking. So I will upload my Genially. Right. So now you see that the Genially has appeared in here. You also see the general link, and it's different than the one when you have copied in here previously. So now that the Genially has been downloaded, go to Workspace, and let's create our lock. I will create my Genially lock. Now choose Select from Library, since you have uploaded in your library, and the Genially should be here. Now I will assign it to my polygon, click Edit, and click Save. Now we should go to the experience. Now as I click on this, my Genially has appeared. Okay, so I have completed the quiz, and now we have the Finish button. And as I click on it, the lock was solved. It was a correct answer, it gave me my points, and that's how you upload your lock and create your Genially lock.